What? I'm sorry. Rubbing what in?
Oh, that you found someone to bring a list-approved snack this week?
Hey, the point's not who brought it, right? It's that it's here for the kids. Isn't that it? Isn't it all about the kids?
All about the kids.
That won't save them.
That's what I'm trying to say, Ray, and I just want to thank you and Deborah.
Okay, it's okay. It's all right. Thanks.
Thank us for what?
Deborah, come on, just drop it.
Brian Trenberth does not let a good deed go unnoticed. Please do.
Ray, what is he talking about?
Nothing. I'm talking about the beautiful snack today.
We didn't bring a snack.
Ray just gave it to me.
Will you shut up about the snack? All right, just shut up about the stupid frickin' snack. Here. Where's the snack? Here. Take it. Take the elephant. Here. Are these healthy enough for you? Plantains! You couldn't just put bananas on the list, huh? I ate 2 of these before I found out you gotta cook them!
I'm sorry,
What? You don't want to share T-ball with me? Well, guess what? I don't want to share T-ball with you, Bri! Oh, by the way, your kid's costing us the game out there, okay? Yeah, that's right. I'm keeping score. Whoa, man! I'm keeping score, and we're losing because your kid's out there eating grasshoppers, okay? I don't think that's an approved snack!
Sorry, Brian.
You don't have to do snacks anymore.